Top 10 Turkish food. Let's see. Come on. Ciorbă de Istanbul. Number 10. Really good. Let's see. Birmania. Number 7. Birmania really good also. La Ceaun. La Ceaun number 9. Really good. Sârmă.
Neden bu kadar ciddisin?
Number 8. Let's see. Carnaval. 6.
Carney, Iraq.
Carnaval also good. Yes. Bangladesh Akar. Five. Adana Kapak. Number 4. Let's see. Postravat.
Don't play with a girl's heart. She has only
3. Çok güzel.
Ya sabır amına koyayım ya sabır.
2. And number 1 the best Turkish food is kafea.